Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are in a T5 VW Transporter T5. This is a 2008 model, but the procedure I'm going to show you is pretty much the same for all T5s. Now I will say that to the best of our knowledge we do need to reset this with a diagnostic tool. So I'll show you the message we're getting first of all. So I'm going to pop the key in the ignition here and you will see we're getting the flashing service message just down there. So that generally goes on for maybe 10-15 seconds and then you'll start the engine, continues to flash a little bit, but it'll go out eventually. And what we need to do is we're going to use our Vols version 3.0 tool, which is available at Diagnostic World. I will pop the link to this kit in the description below this video, but to be honest with you, this is the first time I've done it in this particular vehicle, so please do accept my apologies if I do get something wrong along the way. But ultimately the aim is to reset that. Okay, so we're going to go to service, we're going to go to oil reset, and we're going to go to VW and VW commercial vehicle. Alright, so VW commercial vehicle. And we're just waiting for this to load through. So let's see if we can go VIN identity first of all. Sometimes it'll read the VIN number automatically. Sometimes you have to select the vehicle yourself. So we're just trying to select the VIN number, see if it will read the VIN number first of all. I think the tools sometimes have a bit of an issue reading older VIN numbers, but with the newer VIN numbers it's not such an issue. This is a 2008, so it hasn't allowed us to do that. So it's not the end of the world, because what we can just do is select ours manually. So it's a 2008 Transporter, so I think we're going to try that one there. Transporter 2004 onwards, 2008 Transporter, and it's the 1.9, I think it's this one here, I think. It gives you so many options, you've really got to kind of know which one is yours. Well, let's see what it can give us. Vehicle identifying, please wait. So we'll go OK to that. Application is running, automatic scan. Not rightly sure why it would need to do an automatic scan, or what it's scanning. Alright, this is basically giving us so this is basically giving us what we want to set. So it's 5,000 kilometers or 180 days, 7,500 180 days without T, with T, without T. Is this with turbo, without turbo perhaps? Well, it does have a turbo, so I'm going to select this one just in case it is that. I'm not entirely sure what that means. Communicating, please wait. Finished. Alright, so we'll go F1. So we'll come out of this. Just come out completely. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the engine off, and then we'll put the key back in the ignition. And that's a good sign, because we've now got rid of the service message flashing on the little screen there. So it's all thanks to the Vols version 3.0, but I haven't barely touched on what you can do with this tool. You know, it'll allow you to cover all of the systems in the vehicle. It'll allow you to do like service resets, DPF regenerations, a few other service functions, but ultimately also allow you to diagnose and reset all of the main systems like the engines, the airbags, ABS, transmission, you name it. It can do everything on this Transporter. It does it on newer Transporters as well. I think right now it goes up to like 2022, 2023 Transporters, and they will always be adding the software for the newer vehicles as they are released. Alright, but I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. I hope this has helped, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.